So the question is, which of the following is correct with respect to the minus I effect of the substituents, where R is alkyl. So there are an NH2 compound, and there is OR, then there is F, and then there is NR2. Here R is the alkyl group. So let's calculate the minus I effect of these compounds. So out of these four compounds, minus NH2, minus OR, F, and NR2. Out of these four, the most electronegative is F. So it will have the greatest minus I effect. After that, oxygen also has higher electronegativity. So it will come the after chlorine. So OR. And after that, as this is a R is an alkyl group, so it will reduce the minus I effect on N. So after OR, uh, NH2 will come, and after that we will have NR2. And now we will match the this order with this question. So we can see option 1 matches the this R calculated order. So option 1 will be the answer.